Meaning of inattention.
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 Inattention. Inattention refers to the state of being not focused or paying attention. When a person is inattentive, they may exhibit a lack of concentration, distractibility, forgetfulness, and reduced awareness of their surroundings. This can lead to difficulties in completing tasks, poor academic or work performance, and even dangerous situations like car accidents. Inattention is often associated with conditions like ADHD and depression, but it can also be caused by stress, fatigue, or boredom. Overall, inattention can have negative impacts on a person's daily functioning and quality of life.